Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to connect your Tradovate account to TradingView. Start by opening your web browser and going to Tradovate.com. Log in using your Tradovate username and password. Once you are logged in, look at the top right corner and click on Application Settings. This opens a menu with various options. From here, click on the Add-ons tab. You will see a list of available add-ons. Look for the TradingView add-on. Click on Buy or Activate. The cost is $9.99 per month. After activating the add-on, log out of Tradovate and then log back in. This ensures that the add-on is fully active and ready to use. Next, open a new browser tab and go to TradingView.com. Sign in to your TradingView account. Once logged in, open any chart you want to trade from. Now look at the top right and click on the Trade button. This opens a list of brokers that TradingView supports. Scroll through the list and select Tradovate. If you do not see it, you can search it in the search bar. After you find it, click on it. A login window will appear. Enter your Tradovate username and password. Next, select the environment. Choose Live if you are trading with a funded account. Choose Demo if you want to practice or evaluate the connection. Finally, click Connect. Your Tradovate account will now appear in TradingView's trading panel. Thanks for watching.